What are we doing today, Maureen? Well, today I got the peppers in the backyard. My eldest adult, she potted up all my leftover cucumbers and tomatoes. It was a busy morning. Oh, I planted up new Swiss chard. I think that's about it. That's enough. But now we're gonna get the squashes in, and I am going to be growing them in straw bales. Also, some of them will be grown in ground. So come along for this fun ride. Okay, I think I have them all placed where I want them to go. It could be a little bit of overkill in a couple of places, but we just go with it. But I'm happy with what I have. In the far back there, that is my kabocha squash. Those get really big, so I have put 2 in each one, which that might not be a good idea, but just because last year's was so big. But I'm gonna put 2 in each one of them. So each bale is gonna get 2, and then some are vining and some of course are not. So there is of course lots of space here for them to vine out. If you've seen my videos before, I talk about my straw bales. I leave them out in the winter, so they've been collecting rain. They've been breaking down. I have put some of my poo-poo juice onto it and have watered them, and I will be soaking them. And the great thing is with this is that these straw bales are going to keep that moisture in. So to plant in a straw bale, super easy. You simply make a small hole and then put in some soil, couple of handfuls. I like to use, it's recommended for squashes for me to put in 2 full cups of my organic slow release fertilizer. So we really get that in there. And then I am just gonna top it again with a bit more soil. Take our yellow crooked neck squash, which has gorgeous leaves. Oh, and it looks like it has another plant in there. Then we put them inside and squish the straw bale back together. Done. You see, and the great thing about this is that it's going to keep the moisture in this bale every time I water it. When I was putting my hand down inside of here, I could actually feel the dampness, and that this hasn't been watered for quite a few days. And now the great thing is that all around the plant and the roots, this will all continue to break down as the season progresses. We'll have straw at the end of the season on the outside, but the inside will be all broken down, and I'll be able to take all of this and be able to cover it over tops of my gardens for my winter. So there we have it. Wow! 27 squashes have been planted. The squashes that I have are patty pans, which are scallopinis, carnival squash, acorn squash, spaghetti squash, kabocha squash, yellow crookneck squash. I think that's all of them. I didn't put the pumpkins or the watermelons in. They're gonna be going up there. Maybe I'll be putting those in tomorrow during Mother's Day. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. And for those of you that are celebrating Mother's Day tomorrow, happy Mother's Day. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Take care. God bless. I was just realizing that by the time that you watch this video, Mother's Day will have passed. So I hope you had a wonderful Mother's Day.